Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and I have finally received my design team package from Buttons Galore. So it's Buttons Galore and more. I will have their website linked down below, but I am part of their design team. And they did send me some goodies, so I'm going to show you guys what I received. I basically just kind of sent them what colors I work with and some styles that I was interested in, and they sent me some of those. So I haven't peeked in here yet. I literally just opened the box, so let's get to it. I don't know if I should okay, so first thing is these premium sequins. If you guys have seen my scrapbook.com haul, you have seen me purchase a lot of these items. So I have different styles now from them, but you can also get them on Buttons Galore and more. So if scrapbook.com doesn't have them, definitely check this website out, but I highly recommend checking them out first, just because they have a lot of styles. So this one here is called Glittering Moments, and it's just different colored stars. They're silver, gold, and iridescent stars. This one is the Marshmallow Sequins, premium sequins, and you get these iridescent stars and some clear satin and yes, some like iridescent white sequins. I have this one in my stash already. I actually have 3 of them, but this one is called Blush, so I have a bunch to work with. And this one is super pretty. Not sure where these ones are located. Oh, at the bottom. Winter Wonderland. This one here is just all white buttons, and the seed beads are like a nice, really pretty purple color, but you get different size buttons in this really pretty jar, so you can store them in. But yeah, you get like different kinds of buttons in this one. Oops, all the seed beads are getting everywhere. Alright, and it looks like there are some sequins in here too. And this is from 28 Lilac Lane. And then also got this Think Pink set. These are more of like a magenta colored sequin mix. Super cute. Again, from 28 Lilac Lane. They also sent me these tiny buttons in the pastels. Super cute, and just the plain white. These ones are from the Sugar Shop. They are glitter buttons, and these are called Pink Champagne. You can see there's some glitter, super pretty. This one is called Pastel Dreams. This one is super cute. You get pink, purple, and white. And you get buttons, sequins, and some like rhinestones. Or pearls. I don't know if you guys can see. Super cute. This one's like a really princessy themed mix. And I love the container it comes in. And then I got this Doodads Caribbean Sea. And these ones, really cool because they come with these like, I don't know if you guys can see that like circle there. They're like rhinestones, super pretty. And then I have this one in my stash, but this one here is called Celestial. I think I got this one. Maybe not. I do have one of the white ones though. Let's see. No, it's the Lunar one. But I got this one off scrapbook.com, and this is from the shimmers. So this one's also shimmers. And then from the doodads again, I got the Gold Rush. This is like a yellow mix. And again, you get those like rhinestones, and you get some seed beads. Yeah. And then the rest are Halloween themed because Halloween is coming up, so I did ask for some Halloween themed ones. If you guys saw my scrapbook.com order, I picked up the Crepe Paper Halloween collection from last year, so I got some stuff to go with it. So first things first, I got candy corn, which is a red, orange, and white mix. There's sequins, seed beads, and buttons. Super cute. These shimmers in Sunset. This looks yellow, but it's really orange. It's like a mix of orange and yellow, so I thought this would be perfect for like candy corn. This premium sequins from 28 Lilac Lane called Witch's Brew. Super cute. It has like these clear orange sequins, some like silver stars, and black mini sequins. And then some sparklets. I got this really pretty crystal stars. Let me try to open this so you guys can see better. I don't know if you guys can see if I bring it up close. Super cute. And they're really thin. They're not thick at all. Oops. I'm dropping stuff here. I'll clean it up after. And then this really pretty mix right here is called Creepy. So you get these like clear like rhinestones, and then you get some little sequin like pieces, some confetti pieces, and then orange seed beads. And these look like pearls. They're gray colored. This one is so cute. I'm super excited. This one's called Boo. And these aren't all of their Halloween mixes. This is just a couple. But I'm super excited to work with these. This one is super cute. I highly recommend this one. And I can't wait to post projects on them. But yeah, I'll definitely be having projects out. So keep an eye out on those. And then I got this little bottle called Black Tie. So there's like black, white, and iridescent colored sequins and stars. From the sprinklets, this one is called Hocus Pocus. So these are like clay pieces. Looks like candy. There's some stars and like sprinkle type things in here. And these are like clay pieces. So again, this one's called Hocus Pocus. The last couple items, they sent me October 31st. I thought these were really cute because of the candy corn and the spider webs. And again, these are sprinklets. And then I got another one of these large jars. This one is called Witch's Brew. And you get sequins and buttons in here. So I definitely have a lot of Halloween themed sequins. I didn't really have a lot in my stash, and since it's all in the storage, I'm so glad they sent me a bunch of them. Again, I didn't really choose what to get. I just sent them a list of things that I'm interested in and what I work with. So thank you again. I can't wait to work with all this. This is from, again, 28 Lilac Lane. And last thing is this 28 Lilac Lane Halloween Nights kit. It comes in this really pretty case. So sorry you could see the camera, but yeah, so it comes in this clear case. Okay, there we go. So you get a charm, you get some halfback pearls, you get some seed bead mix here, and then a sequin mix, 2 sections of buttons, and then some velvet trim. And once you use up all of the stuff in here, you can definitely reuse it to store your own stuff, and then also you can also use it for like Happy Mail, like an embellishment box. So because they didn't put any like stickers or anything on it, so it's perfect. But yeah, so that is that. Alright, you guys, and that finishes up my design team package. They do send them out quarterly, so this is my first quarter package. I might get one right before Christmas, they said, so I can't wait for that because I definitely love their Christmas mixes. But definitely check them out. I will have their website linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I received, and I will have project shares and Instagram posts as well with the projects I create with these, so definitely check that out as well. Hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that you guys are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!